tonight's painting was.
What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. How much water do you need? I need 2 bottles. How long does it take to reach the airport? It takes about 30 minutes. How often do you exercise? I exercise every morning. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How far is the railway station? It is 5 kilometers away. How come you are so happy today? Because I got a new job. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. What kind of music do you like? I like soft romantic music. What color do you like? I like blue. What do you do on weekends? I spend time with my family. What are you doing now? I am studying English. Where is the nearest bank? It is across the main road. Where are you going? I am going to the library. Where do you work? I work in a hospital. Where can I buy this? You can buy it at the shopping mall. Where did you buy this phone? I bought it online. When did you arrive here? I arrived this morning. When will you come back? I will come back tomorrow. When do you study English? I study English every evening. Whose is this laptop? It is my brother's laptop. Which one do you prefer? I prefer the blue one. Which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What if it rains today? We will stay at home. What about dinner tonight? Let's have dinner together. What else do you need? I need a notebook and a pen. What does your father do? He is a bank manager. What did you buy yesterday? I bought a new laptop. What can you cook? I can cook fried rice. What should I wear today? You should wear comfortable clothes. What will you do tomorrow? I will visit my grandparents. What would you like to drink? I would like a glass of orange juice. What are you looking for? I am looking for my wallet. What have you learned today? I have learned English grammar. What has changed? The weather has changed. What has been your biggest achievement? My biggest achievement is winning the competition. What were you doing yesterday? I was preparing for my exam. What was your first job? My first job was as a sales assistant. What is this for? It is for learning English. How do you improve your English? I practice every day. How can I speak English fluently? You can practice speaking every day. How to introduce yourself in English. Start with your name, then talk about your education, hobbies and goals. Which can I use? You can use this one. Which do you like better, tea or coffee? I like coffee better. Which would you choose? I would choose the red car. Whose are these shoes? They are my father's shoes. Whom did you invite? I invite all my friends.